Hey, I'm Matias with Toast. We've got a brand new product, hot off the presses, Surface Go. Just actually got shipped to us from a super fan who sent it right from Microsoft to us. So we're gonna open this up, take a look. That looks small. Yeah, actually feels like an iPad. It's got the nice Surface look to it. Yeah, so it's a good kickstand. That's pretty nice, solid movement on that. Feels pretty good. It does the full, pretty much nearly flat. It's light. Yeah, the Surface products always felt a little heavy for like a handheld thing. Softer shapes to it a little bit than the older models. Yeah, pretty slick. Yeah, we're gonna take this out back and toast it and get to work.